And you were born, so saan birthday?
July 20, ma'am, 1969.
So, July 20, 1969, when Neil walked on the moon. His father was watching the walk on the moon on the TV while his mother was giving birth on him. Bedroom. That I still have all my stocks around here that you can see. So I will remove it soon. And they were fixing I've ordered this 3 weeks ago because that's how long the tempered is here in Cebu. But maximum is 3 weeks, so I just get the maximum so it's not been rushed. So you can see I got someone here working on the glass. And his business, he had ran his own business installing glass. So I will be giving you prices soon in his workshop about sliding doors and sliding windows, anything about glass. I'm fixing here right now with someone that knows about glass, because you can see one of the windows and one of the sliding doors have shattered. All my glass around my guest house and my main house is made of tempered glass, so you can see. So I have the glass put in. The installer is putting it in now. And you can see, again, it's tempered. You can see the sign in the corner. And what's more interesting about this is I'm going to tell you about the installer, who he is. I'll just go inside. So the glass is now repaired. You can see that it's replaced. When it was, you can see that it's the crumbled one the other a minute ago. Now the proper glass is installed, tempered. Now what's trying to emphasize here is the installer itself. So he's saying he was born in July 20 when Armstrong was walking on the moon. So while they were walking on the moon, he was born inside the room and his father was watching TV. And so you think someone born like that will be named after Neil, Mike, or even Buzz, which rings a bell. But I wanna ask him what's his real name. So kasi nga na to dong.
Apollo, ma'am, 11.
So his name is Apollo 11 Arella. His name after the first landing mission on the moon. Now you can see that he is so popular. He's having that name. He has his own mugs, his own t-shirt, because he don't need to do anything. Apollo 11 mission is commemorated in every way, like bags, t-shirt, mugs. He got it all. But he is a glass windows installer that I have hired to replace all my broken ones here. I haven't known him before. When I was doing the house, he could have installed everything. But from now on, he'll be the one doing all my jobs of regarding glass, aluminum, or PVC. He can do this. But I will be featuring him soon, all his projects, so you'll have an idea of how much is the price. And also, he can travel to your place if you're on the other islands. His father was watching the walk on the moon on the TV while his mother was giving birth on him. And when he came out, was the name Apollo 11. So this is now Apollo 11, the glass installer that I will be featuring soon to give you prices of glass windows, aluminum glass windows, PVC glass windows, and doors. And this is the funny story behind it. So I usually done all my things around my house, like installing my air cons. I don't do it with the firms, because aside from you got proper care and proper materials with people like Apollo, and then the one that's installing my aircon is Iman, is you can always call them anytime if there's something wrong. And there is like a personal touch when they install the things, and it's also more cheaper. I mean, competitive price than the firms. And because they run their own business, the price is more reasonable than the actual firms. So that will be the pricing of the windows and doors that I'll be giving you from Apollo 11's own workshop. So there he is cleaning up my shattered glass. So you can see there's a name tempered here on the corner.